Every one of us has a special story, a story of my journey, which has some inspiration and some motivation, some emotions, and many more. And every story is very important in their life journey. It's my story that I would like to explore more in this video. Positive living, dream it, believe it. Thank you.
Son Jagannath, we wish you very, very happy birthday to you. We pray at the lotus feet of Bhagavan Sri Satya Sai Baba to bless you with supreme devotion and wisdom, bhakti, sukha, shanti, ananda, all success in life. We pray Jagannath life, goal of life is God realization. Service to man is service to God. Art of living life, Jagannath, always be happy. We pray and we remain with blessings, fullest blessings always with you. With love, Mami Baba.
मैं अहिंसा विश्व भारती की ओर से, जैन समाज की ओर से और आप सबकी ओर से भी, हम सबकी ओर से इन्हें शुभकामनाएं देते हुए यही कहूंगा कि इतिहास कांच के टुकड़ों का नहीं, उज्जवल हीरो का बनता है, और इतिहास घास के तिनकों का नहीं, फौलादी तीरों का बनता है।
Dr. Jagannath Patnaik, I have known him since almost 2 decades when I was governor of Chhattisgarh and was involved in formulation of privatization of higher education and evolving and forming the legislature. That's the first time I met Dr. Jagannath. Seeing him at the very first instant, I felt here is a man with vision, commitment, and has wild dreams which he has the capability to convert them into realities. Having seen through him, I gave him all the opportunities to open an university in Chhattisgarh, but due to legal problems, the same could not fructify. But that did not daunt Mr. Jagannath or Mr. Patnaik. He kept pressing his aims, opened up a Kalinga University, ran it beautifully. Thereafter, he became almost an educator worldwide. He will conceive an idea, seed it, fructify it, and make sure that it succeeds. He acquired a stature, international standing. United Nations recognized his achievements. In fact, I would go to say he is one person whom I have known who has created institutions of engineering, medical, dentistry, management, apart from pure higher education. Each one of them ran beautifully. I have personal knowledge of them. I would go to say that his vision and depth of knowledge and commitment towards the well-being of the social lower strata people, upliftment and bring peace and harmony in the world are his hallmarks. He, I would say, is an epitome for higher education. God bless Dr. Patnaik and give him long and healthy life. All the very best.
The ultimate measure of a man is not where he stands in moments of comfort and convenience, but where he stands at times of challenge and controversy. Here we have a personality, Dr. Jagannath Patnaik, an academician, an author, a renowned motivational and life coach, and an effective administrator with varied experience in educational research, academic administration, and industry that matches the need of the hour and beyond. His name epitomizes an accustomed founder of a number of educational institutions in medical, dentistry, engineering, and management, including public schools in the country and overseas, from concept to commissioning, incorporating our rich cultural heritage while adopting the best practices in education from all over the world. As to his current position, he has been serving as Vice Chancellor of ICFAI University, Sikkim, and also got entrusted with the additional responsibilities as an advisor of education in Northeast region to assist the development processes. He comes up with more than 2 decades of experience of work in educational administration in the areas of development and planning. Prior to joining at ICFAI University, Sikkim, he had served at Kalinga University as Vice Chancellor for 2 tenures. On the part of the beginning of his career, he had taken charge as the Director of International Relations, Planning and Development for the Vinayaka Missions Research Foundation Deemed University in Salem, Tamil Nadu, and for Bharati Vidyapeeth Deemed University in India, Academic Registrar of International Medical and Technological University in Tanzania, Director of Projects Development for the Manipal University, Director of Distance Education and Registrar for Sikkim Manipal University for Medical and Technical Sciences, Vice President of Educational Development for Manipal Education and Medical Group, Executive Director of Education for Manipal Academy of Health and Education, Bangalore, and Secretary General of the Confederation of Indian Universities, New Delhi. Furthermore, his associations, contributions, and his roles on the international platform, he has served at various honorary capacities with socio non-governmental and intergovernmental organizations as International Director General of the All India Human Rights Council of Liberties and Social Justice, National Vice President of the UN Registered World Human Rights Council in New Delhi, Secretary General of the International Organization for Educational Development, Secretary General of the UN Registered World Humanity Commission, Principal Advisor of the UN Registered International Police Commission, and Instruction Judge and Chief of Asia Pacific Consular Affairs of the Sovereign Court of International Justice UN Registered International Government Organization. Forby his name aligns designing several motivational development training programs for students, corporate executives, and government officials in India and abroad too. Therefore, he is honored with Outstanding Leadership Award from United Nations University International Leadership Academy in Jordan in 1997, Ambassador of Peace by the UN Registered International Association of Educators for World Peace in 1999, Knight of Honor titled by Princely State the Rajya Puraskar in Odisha, and many other international and domestic honorary doctorates awards in the outstanding capabilities and excellence upon education, planning, spiritual and peace studies.
I'm with Dr. Jagannath Patnaik, the flag bearer of the Indian education sector. So, Mr. Patnaik, how did your conflict situations in your childhood affected your present life?
See, everyone from their childhood till the adulthood have a history. history speaks a lot of chronicles of life, but I don't want to speak all this what happened in my life. I'll bring few things which are very relevant to my present life. I have come up from a very spiritual family. My parents, they were the devotees of Bhagavan Sri Satya Sai Baba, and almost all gurus of different sects used to come to our house. That is how I was brought up spiritually from my birth. When I went to school, it's very interesting because from the childhood, from the age of 3, I started reading Bhagavad Gita. I started reading different slokas of different prayers. We used to have bhajans every day in our house. So when I went to school, joined class 1, first question I asked to my teacher that you are not teaching rightly. First you do this prayer, then teach us. So my teacher felt that I'm a mad fellow. And every time it happens, we used to get free biscuits in the school those times, so that every children come to school regularly. I used to distribute those biscuits to my fellow mates. So they found that this boy is a mad fellow. They rusticated me in the class 1 itself, that this boy is not fit for education. He's a mad boy. Somehow I managed again to rejoin in the school, and every time I was very, very intelligent, and I taught all spiritual things in the school. I make my friends also to learn spiritualism from me. No teachers used to beat me, including the headmaster of the school, even my parents. They think that if they beat me, something will happen wrong to them. And it happened. Whoever beaten me or scolded me, something wrong happened. This is how I feel that my life has a spiritual bent of mind. Maybe the Spirit of God is within me. That's what my God's feeling. From the very young, my childhood days, even I was known in my circle, my fellow mates used to call me Pagal, a mad fellow. But that inspired me a lot, that I am made for everything. I am made for India. I am made for this world. I did not care whoever, whatever they spoke to me. Again, another interesting story, when I went to Gurukul for my higher education near Nandi Hill, I used to practice meditation, bhajans, and lot more in the spiritual part of my life, including Nagar Sankirtan, Manav Seva, Village Seva, all these things I used to go and do. Including Gosala, I used to go to Gosala and milking cow, all these things. I was elected as the prayer minister of the school because I was so spiritual. My teacher, they felt that this boy is fit to become a prayer minister. Those times I used to speak Bhagavad Gita, I do pravachan, I meet my fellow mates, talk about spiritual life of different saints like Vivekananda, which inspired me a lot. I used to see their palm those times, although I am not a palmist, I started telling things to people, and it happens. One day, what happened, with all the spiritual bent of my mind was struggling both sides, whether I should study or become a saint. That was the most conflict situation in my life. I decided to become saint. I left for Nandi Hill to do my japa, the meditation. And my teacher used to feel, what is wrong with this boy? Why he's always leaving to the foothills for doing meditation? One day in the early morning, I was supposed to attend a prayer, but I left by walk towards Himalaya. I thought I should leave now from this materialistic world and become sannyas and do research in Sanskrit. Somehow my warden, they caught me. About 90 kilometers I walked all the way. In the evening I was caught and brought back to the school hostel. And I saw the joy among my fellow mates. Everybody were telling Jai Jagannath, Jai Jagannath. That inspired me, that people at least they love me. See, what I see, the spiritualism is after all everything. Now what happens, my wardens, they were not disturbed. They were so much liking me. Even though I left the college, they convinced me, please study and do your higher studies. But I was not reading at all. I appeared the 12th examination without studying. And whatever I wrote in the examination, my warden used to call me and ask me, what did you write this answer? I used to tell as exactly in the book. Exactly in the book. And then they thought this boy was playing drama and was studying actually, but was showing off. And finally, I succeeded in my examinations and we had 100% results in the school. Everyone were happy with joy, distributing sweets each other. And this is what I think, that the spiritualism is the most important part of your life. People get disturbed, even the wardens get disturbed when someone is smoking or drinking or following a bad habits. This all gives very difficult situation to the environment. Character building is more important than obtaining education. I only built up with the inspiration of my parents, to whom I love very much, that I should build my character first, then my education. And that made me to success in my whole life. I joined in the initial stages in the spiritual environment a group of public schools, more than 133 universities in the world, which was run by Maharishi Mahesh Yogi. I became the director. I became the editor of a scientific journal. And I got exposed myself, and I thought that I should now lead my life as a guru rather than a professional teacher. And at that stage, it inspired me a lot. When I was requested my parents about my marriage, I was reluctant to get married because I decided no, I should not marry, I should lead a life of bachelorhood to become brahmacharya. But they convinced me to get married and I got married. But I decided that at that time, if I have to see a girl, if that girl reject me, I'll never get married. Somehow, the girl agreed and I got engaged, married. And in the marriage mandap, after the marriage is over, I performed meditation, including yogic flying demonstration. My in-laws thought that I'm a tantric. My wife got frightened. But I said nothing like that. It's the body and mind which become lighter, and you can lift your body to any level, and this is called consciousness. So with a beautiful consciousness and a beautiful life lead with spiritualism, I decided to join in education, and I changed my professionalism from saint, brahmacharya, and to become a professional guru. I became director, I became registrar, I became vice president of education, and so on. Today, I am 3 tenure served as vice chancellor. This is what I see. Your life is successful when you think big with positivity in your life, and always think beyond. And I learned that I should not fall, or I should not bring any conflict situation in my life, because my past has already taught me from conflict to normal life. Unless and otherwise, if you don't get conflict, you may not get a normal life. So life is to learn from your experience. Then only you can achieve your dream and you can be a successful person. Like any personality you can talk about. In my life, I have learned only yes. I have never learned no. I have removed the word no from my dictionary. That is how I always see success, and finally I enjoy my life with happiness, with pride, and with good friends. Today, many of my friends follows me. Those people who were talking about mad on me, they also follow me now. My relations, they follow me now. And they thought this boy was not mad. He was mad for his life. And that is how I see me. Thank you.
Honorable Dr. Patnaik sir, I am happy to know about your long journey of your life, and on coming 27th July you are celebrating your birthday, and on this occasion I would like to share a few things about you. I am happy to know a well-known personality like Dr. Jagannath Patnaik. He has vast experience of work in education, administration, in the areas of development and planning since the last 2 decades. His name epitomizes as an accustomed founder of a number of education institutes in the field of medical engineering and management, not only in India but also overseas. Owing to his leadership qualities, he has not only been a stakeholder at a number of educational organizations where he could immensely contribute, but also won laurels for his outstanding leadership, both national and international. His motivational speeches and his love for spiritual and peace studies has got him followers from about 65 countries. In this long journey, he has enriched numerous lives. I wish him all the best and life of healthy happiness and peace, and may wish that he continues to touch the lives of many by his works. Thank you, sir, and wish you good luck.
Hi, I wish my friend Dr. Jagannath Patnaik, Vice Chancellor, ICFAI University, Sikkim, a very happy birthday and many happy returns of the day. Dr. Jagannath Patnaik's contributions as an academician, as an author, motivational speaker, and a lifetime coach are very well known in the society. He is a very nice human being, evolved soul, having great passion to promote value-based education. I pray the Almighty God to give Dr. Jagannath Patnaik a healthy, happy and long life so that he can contribute further to the socio-economic development of the nation. Thank you.
Dr. Jagannath will be celebrating his birthday very soon. Dr. Jagannath Patnaik has been an academician, an author, a life coach, a renowned motivational speaker, and an effective administrator with a huge and varied experience. His name epitomizes as an accustomed founder of a number of educational institutions in medical, dentistry, engineering, and management, including a large number of public schools in the country and overseas. From the concept of commissioning, incorporating our rich cultural heritage while adopting the best practices of education from all over the world. He is presently the Vice Chancellor of the ICFAI University in Sikkim and is also entrusted with the educational and the additional responsibilities as an advisor of education in Northeast region to assist the development processes. He has more than 2 decades of experience in educational administration and in the areas of development and planning. Prior to joining the ICFAI University, he was the Vice Chancellor at the Kalinga University for 2 successive tenures. I wish Dr. Jagannath Patnaik a very happy birthday and all the happiness and success in the future. Thank you.
Namaskar. Myself, Professor S.P. Singh, Vice Chancellor of the Assam Royal Global University, Guwahati. I have heard a lot about him, the way he has worked for the development of different institutions. Right now he is Vice Chancellor of ICFAI University in Sikkim, but he also worked in Sikkim prior to that with Manipal Group, a registrar. Also he was Vice Chancellor of, if I am not wrong, of Kalinga University on 2 continuous terms, and he is a known motivator. His videos I have seen on the YouTube where he is trying to come and tell people about different facets of life, way of life, happy life, and how to become oriented for the good of people in large. So I think Dr. Jagannath Patnaik is having a vision future vision, for his commitment.
Namaskar, I am Dr. Vikram Singh, former Director General of Police Uttar Pradesh, currently Chancellor, Noida International University. It has been my proud privilege to have known Dr. Professor Jagannath Patnaik ji now for the last many years. He is an academician, a motivational speaker, a life coach, and to top it all, an excellent human being with whom, if anybody comes, he returns enriched and happier. Dr. Jagannath Patnaik ji is a well-known academician not only in India but the world over. He has guided quality research, an author of great eminence. He has been a very successful and illustrious Vice Chancellor of the famous Utkal University for 2 illustrious tenures. Currently, he is enriching ICFAI University, Sikkim, and is also the academic advisor to the Northeast. They are truly blessed to have somebody as knowledgeable, as learned as Professor Jagannath Patnaik. I wish Dr. Jagannath Patnaik many happy returns of the day and a very happy birthday today on 27th July 2020. May God bless you. भगवान जगन्नाथ की कृपा डॉक्टर साहब आपके पूरे परिवार पे बरसती रहे। अपने YouTube चैनल से युवाओं को आप लाभान्वित करते रहें। मैं स्वयं जब कभी थक जाता हूँ, वैसे तो थकता नहीं हूँ, लेकिन जब मैं थक जाता हूँ तो आपके YouTube चैनल पर जा करके नई ऊर्जा और स्फूर्ति का संचार होता है। प्रणाम डॉक्टर साहब, बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं और बधाई के साथ।
Great honor and privilege to speak today on the occasion of the birthday of Dr. Jagannath Patnaik. It's indeed very rarely in life that you come across such a multifaceted personality. When you look into his vision, his care, his compassion, his concern for humanity, you realize that such people are truly what you look for having as a role model. His contribution to society, his contribution to humanity, and his great contribution to this country in the field of education, in the field of peace building, human rights issues, his concern for reaching out to every person who needs the right direction, the right engagement to be able to prove themselves. He has been truly honored by all existing societies, whether it's his list of awards, both at the national and the international level, speak volumes of his contribution and his achievements. He has been reached out to people in the remotest of areas, whether be in the underdeveloped areas of the country or the remote areas of the Northeast. And today, when he is Vice Chancellor, the second tenure as a Vice Chancellor in Sikkim, as also his earlier tenures as Vice Chancellor, are commendable, and those which are examples for each one of us to follow. He has been instrumental in setting up all kinds of educational institutions, be it technical or collaborative or in building up personalities. His contributions are immense and are indeed thing. I personally consider it a privilege to be one of the recipients of his vision every morning when he shares his motivational quote with us. In this era when cut and paste is the order of the day on social media, his original thoughts which come to you every morning are indeed inspiring and motivating. To you, sir, on the occasion of your birthday, I wish you good health, peace and happiness. May your care, compassion and vision continue to be the guiding force behind things, and to the youth of this country, may you always become an example of of being a great human being. God bless you and wish you greater heights and success in your life. Thank you.
Hello everyone. It's a pleasure today to speak a few words about Dr. Jagannath Patnaik on the auspicious occasion of his birthday. Dr. Patnaik is a luminous personality in the field of academics. He has a string of prestigious degrees at an early age and has headed a number of institutions, and I think he has been a Vice Chancellor for more than a decade and a half in a number of universities. Today, as the Vice Chancellor of ICFAI Sikkim and advisor for the entire Northeast region, he stands in a unique position in our academic system. Dr. Patnaik is trying his level best to inculcate the famous Guru Shishya Parampara in our academic establishments, something that we are so proud of in our ancient India. Equally, he strives hard to address numerous everyday issues and has been a mentor to many people who battle everyday demons in the real world. He is a motivational speaker, author, and a true inspiration to the current generation.
Hi everyone, good afternoon. This is Professor Dr. Ravindra Rena, Professor of Economics, working currently at the Northwest University Business School, South Africa. It's indeed a great honor for me to speak on the 27th of July on the eve of the birthday of our great scholar and leader, thought-provoking personality who inspired thousands of lives and scholars across the globe from more than 65 countries in the world. He is Professor Dr. Jagannath Patnaik. So thank you very much, Professor Patnaik. I know you for the past few years. Who always, inspires with your thought-provoking messages. Every single day I receive a message. I wait for your message, in fact, in the morning when I wake up. So that is absolutely an inspiration for not only for me, but for the rest of the humanity across the globe. And I really appreciate your time and your energy that you are trying to change the society with your positive spirit. I wish you all the best, and I wish you great success in the rest of your life, that you achieve lots of other echelons and you become one of the important and great personalities of not only in India but also rest of the world. I do know that you currently working as the Vice Chancellor of ICFAI University Sikkim, but so the world is so big and so huge, and I hope you will get a brighter and wonderful opportunities to inspire many millions of people across this globe through your positive speeches and through the messages that you share, the YouTube channels that you share with your positive conversations. And I wish you good luck, sir, and may God bless you abundantly and with a lot of happiness and prosperity, good health and peace of mind, that you could able to get extra energy to inspire the millions of the people or billions of the people across this globe. Thank you very much for the opportunity and wish you good luck once again. Thank you.
मैं बरेली से डॉक्टर महेंद्र सिंह वासु आयुर्वेद चिकित्सक डॉक्टर जगन्नाथ पटनायक जी को उनके जन्मदिन पर बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूँ। और जैसा कि आपने देश में नहीं विदेशों में भी अपना नाम रोशन किया है, बहुत से अवार्ड्स प्राप्त किए हैं, बहुत से यूनिवर्सिटी में आप चांसलर, वाइस चांसलर, रजिस्ट्रार के पदों पर रह करके समाज के प्रति, देश के प्रति बहुत बड़ा कार्य किया है, करते रहे हैं और देश को ऊंचाइयों में ले जाने के लिए आपने बहुत बड़ा योगदान दिया है। आपने अपने विद्यार्थियों को, अपने दोस्तों को आगे बढ़ाने में हमेशा उनका मदद की है। आप सहयोग काफ़ी करते रहते हैं और हम आशा करते हैं कि आप देश और दुनिया की इस तरीके से जैसे आप सेवा करते चले आ रहे हैं, ऐसे ही आगे भी जो है सेवा भाव करते रहें, समाज के प्रति अपना कर्तव्य निभाते रहें। और मैं पुनः आपको बहुत बहुत बधाई दोबारा देता हूँ कि आप प्रोग्रेस टूवर्ड हाइट की ओर बढ़ते रहें और देश और समाज की इसी तरीके से सेवा करते रहें और ऊंचाइयों को छुए। धन्यवाद। जय भारत, जय हिंद।
जगन्नाथ सर, जन्मदिन की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं IHRO परिवार की तरफ से। तुम जियो हजारों साल, साल के दिन हो 50,000। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
Dear Dr. Jagannath Patnaik, Vice Chancellor, ICFEI University, Sikkim, I'm really happy to send my message on your birthday, which falls on 27th of this month. In fact, I know Professor Jagannath Patnaik for quite some time now. He's a very able administrator, academician, and a very good visionary. He is currently serving as Vice Chancellor of ICFEI University, Sikkim, with distinction. He has more than 2 decades of experience of work in educational administration in the areas of development and planning. Prior to joining at IU Sikkim, he served at Kalinga University as Vice Chancellor for 2 tenures. In his illustrious career, he served with distinction Director of International Relations Planning and Development for the Vinayaka Mission Research Foundation, Salem, Tamil Nadu, Academic Registrar of International Medical and Technological University in Tanzania, Director of Projects Development, Manipal University, and Registrar, Sikkim Manipal University for Medical and Technical Sciences, Vice President of Educational Development for Manipal Education and Medical Group, Executive Director of Education for Manipal Academy of Health and Education, Bangalore, and Secretary General of the Confederation of Indian Universities, New Delhi. In addition, he has served at various honorary capacities with socio, non-governmental and intergovernmental organizations as International Director General of All India Human Rights Council of Liberties and Social Justice, National Vice President of the UN-registered World Human Rights Council in New Delhi. Besides, he is honored with Outstanding Leadership Award from United Nations University International Leadership Academy in Jordan in 1997, Ambassador of Peace by the UN-registered International Association of Educators for World Peace, that is in 1999, Knight of Honor titled by the princely state Utkal Jyoti Rajya Puraskar, Odisha, and many such awards. In fact, I am extremely happy to wish all the best on the occasion of his birthday on 27th July, and my best wishes.
Dr. Patnaik, good evening. From the Indian Institute of Human Rights, I'm Dr. Rahul Rai, the Director. I would like to extend my greetings to you on the occasion of your 54th birthday. Dr. Patnaik is the Vice Chancellor of the ICFEI University at Sikkim. I've known you for almost 20 years. According to me, you are an institution unto yourself. Your dedication, your perseverance, your efforts in providing education to all, which by the way is a human right, has been phenomenal. Your contribution in the field of higher education has been exemplary. I've seen you rise and grow over the last 20 years, not just in the field of higher formal education, but also as an activist. Your contribution in the non-formal sector of education has been exemplary as well. I wish you all the very best for your future endeavors.
I avail the opportunity to wish Dr. Jagannath Patnaik all the very best on his 50th birthday. As the Vice Chancellor of ICFAI University Sikkim, as an author, as a motivational speaker, he has led the academicians community, his students and his professors and others. He is very popular in Odisha and I wish him all the very best on his 50th birthday.
मुझे अत्यंत प्रसन्नता है कि मेरे मित्र डॉक्टर जगन्नाथ पटनायक जी, जो इस समय ICFAI यूनिवर्सिटी सिक्किम के यशस्वी कुलपति हैं और पूर्व में कलिंग यूनिवर्सिटी के 2 बार कुलपति रह चुके हैं, वह अपनी जीवन यात्रा का वीडियो YouTube पर अपलोड करने वाले हैं अपने विशेष जन्मदिन 27 जुलाई को। यह हम सभी के लिए अत्यंत हर्ष का विषय है कि अकादमिक क्षेत्र के एक अत्यंत प्रतिष्ठित व्यक्ति, जो स्वयं में एक संपूर्ण व्यक्तित्व है, जहां तक अकादमिक प्रशासन का प्रश्न है, अकादमिक नेतृत्व का प्रश्न है, अकादमिक दक्षता का प्रश्न है, अकादमिक श्रेष्ठता का प्रश्न है, तो उसको लेकर के उनका व्यक्तित्व समग्र व्यक्तित्व माना जाता है, ऐसा हम लोग सोचकर चलते हैं। उनके अंदर अद्भुत प्रतिभा है। वह एक मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर हैं, वह एक बहुत अच्छे लेखक हैं, एक बहुत अच्छे संगठक हैं और विशेष रूप से विभिन्न अकादमिक संस्थाओं में प्राण फूंकने वाले व्यक्तित्व हैं। न केवल राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर अपितु अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर उन्होंने अनेक अकादमिक प्रशासनिक संस्थाओं में महत्वपूर्ण दायित्वों का निर्वहन किया है और इन दायित्वों के निर्वहन में उनकी कुशलता और सफलता के कारण अनेक प्रतिष्ठित पुरस्कार उन्हें मिले हैं। वह पुरस्कार संपन्न व्यक्ति कहे जाते हैं। उनकी न केवल देश में प्रशंसा होती है, अपितु दुनिया के विभिन्न अकादमिक मंचों पर भी प्रशंसा होती रहती है। अंतर्राष्ट्रीय संगठन से संबंधित विशिष्ट प्रकार के निकाय हों, मानवाधिकार से संबंधित विभिन्न प्रकार के निकाय हों, वहाँ सलाहकार के रूप में उनकी उपस्थिति दिखती है, वहाँ विशेषज्ञ के रूप में उनकी उपस्थिति दिखती है और वहाँ नीति नियामक के रूप में भी उनकी उपस्थिति दिखती है। इस समय जिस विश्वविद्यालय में है सिक्किम में, वह अपने अकादमिक गतिविधियों के कारण बहुश्रुत है। उन्होंने एक अद्भुत परिवेश सृजित किया है जहाँ शिक्षा में नवाचार और गुणवत्ता के लिए विशेष स्थान है। जो वहाँ पढ़ने वाले विद्यार्थी हैं, जो वहाँ पढ़ाने वाले शिक्षक हैं, काम करने वाले कर्मचारी और अधिकारी हैं, सब बहुत ज़्यादा उत्साहित और अनुप्राणित हैं उनके नेतृत्व से और उनके मार्गदर्शन से। आज अकादमिक जगत में उनके व्यवहार, उनके आचार और उनकी वक्तृता से बहुत ज़्यादा समृद्धि हो रही है ज्ञान के क्षेत्र में। मैं ऐसे अपने मित्र को बधाई देता हूँ ऐसे जीवन वृत्त संबंधी वीडियो के लिए, और आने वाली जो जन्मतिथि है, उनकी जन्मदिन है उनका 27 जुलाई, उसके लिए अभी से मैं अपनी शुभकामनाएं देता हूं। वह सदा हर्षित रहें, प्रसन्न रहें, सुरक्षित रहें और अकादमिक जगत को अपना महत्वपूर्ण योगदान यथावत देते रहें। उनसे बहुत अपेक्षाएं हैं। ऐसा मित्र पाना भी अपने लिए प्रसन्नता और भाग्य का विषय होता है। एक बार पुनः मैं डॉक्टर जगन्नाथ पटनायक जी को बहुत बधाई देता हूँ। आपके लिए बहुत शुभकामनाएं।
Hello, Dr. Jagannath Patnaik. This is
Dr. H.P. Singh, the Vice Chancellor of ICFI University, Himachal Pradesh. Wish you a very, very happy and exciting birthday. It's a great day for you to celebrate and rejoice your achievements and your accomplishments. Dr. Jagannath Patnaik is an academician, an institution builder, an educationist, and a motivational guru who is very well known through the lengths and breadths of this country. I am singularly lucky to have a friend like Dr. Patnaik, whose messages I have compiled into a book which acts as a guide for me whenever I require to consult a book or a document. He is a renowned academician and has done excellent research work. Wherever and whichever institution he has worked for, he has turned around the fortunes of that particular institution. On behalf of my own self, my family, and the employees of ICFI University, Himachal Pradesh, wish you a very, very happy birthday and a successful year ahead. I'm sure you will continue doing the service to the society as you have always been. And I'm sure the world will be a better place to live with people like you being around. A very, very happy birthday, Dr. Jagannath.
Good morning, Jagannath sir. Many happy returns of the day in advance. I fondly remember meeting you for the first time in 2016 when I was the Vice Chancellor of Presidency University. I remember sometime in 2016 you came to Bangalore for your some official work you came. And then just you collected my number through my office and then called me asking just I want to meet you. I was not knowing you personally. Then I invited you to my university. When you came there, we had an interaction for more than an hour on several matters. We had a cup of tea and then discussed for more than an hour. And really, I found you at my first visit as this man is simple, down to earth, humble, and a thorough gentleman of two sets. That's my first gut feeling that I felt about you during my first meeting. Jagannath sir, you are an all-rounder in true sense. You are an academician, you are a researcher, you are an author, you are a motivational speaker, and what not. You have played different roles in the life. I have seen your motivational speeches on video, in YouTubes. You are really awesome. Many of my friends are working in the universities or institutions where you have worked earlier. I am aware of your contributions in the institutions wherever you have served. You have left your footprints in all the institutions wherever you have worked. Call it as a Kalinga University, Bhubaneswar, or Vinayaka Missions Research Foundation, DMD University in Salem, and a Bharati Vidyapeetham University, or a Manipal Academy, whatever it is. I have not heard anybody talking ill about you. Wherever you have worked, you have proved yourself, and you are a proven administrator and an eminent leader. You have worked in different capabilities. You worked as a registrar, you are a director international relations, you are a director planning and development, and you are a project director, director of distance education, and finally vice chancellor. What do you have left to do? That means you have worked in all facets of education system. You know everything in and out of education system, you know. People with such background and rich knowledge are very rare. And very few leaders are there in this academia with all facets and backgrounds, and you are one among them. You also worked at several governmental and non-governmental institutions, NGOs and all. And you have proved your capabilities wherever you have worked. As a reward for your contributions, you have received several awards both nationally and internationally. A few of them include Ambassador of Peace by UN, Knight of Honor title by Prince State, Utkal Jyoti Rajya Puraskar by Government of Odisha, and many other international and national domestic honorary doctorate awards for our outstanding capabilities and excellence in the areas of education, planning, spiritual and peaceful studies. Jagannath sir, it's my privilege that I'm being given an opportunity to wish you on your birthday. It's my privilege. Wish you happy birthday once again in advance. May God bless you with health, peace and prosperity. Wish you all good luck. Cherished thanks. Thank you.
Jai Jagannath. A true leader has the confidence to stand alone, the courage to make tough decisions, and the kindness to listen to the needs of others. He does not set out to be a leader, but becomes one by the equality of his actions and the integrity of his intent. I quote and unquote. This statement, in my opinion, does apply to Dr. Jagannath Patnaik, the Vice Chancellor of ICFAI University, Sikkim. His life is a pleasant personality painted by the divine artist with a fuse of color, of self-confidence, intelligence and experience. Being the founder of a number of educational institutions, his concept of incorporating our rich Indian culture and heritage into the conventional educational system sets a clear example and trend to be followed in the country as in the need of the hour. He being the recipient of many international and domestic honorary doctorate awards, I would like to acknowledge with a deep sense of appreciation his dedication towards the society in the field of education and more as a motivational speaker, spiritual leader and an effective administrator and academician. And all this has been possible from my standpoint due to the everlasting grace and influence of our guide, Guru and God, Bhagavan Sri Satya Sai Baba, as Dr. Patnaik is an alumnus of the Sri Satya Sai Institute of Higher Learning and thus believes the statement, service to mankind is service to God. I take opportunity to convey my warmest wishes to him and wish him much joy and happiness for the journey ahead. Thank you. जय जगन्नाथ।
सभी साथियों का, मित्रों का अभिनंदन। मैं हेमंत यादव आज इस पावन मौके पे डॉक्टर जगन्नाथ पटनायक जी को जन्मदिन की ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं देता हूं। डॉक्टर जगन्नाथ जो वर्तमान में IFAI विश्वविद्यालय के यूनिवर्सिटी के वाइस चांसलर हैं, उनसे मेरी मुलाकात MG मार्ग पे हुई, गैंगटोक के MG मार्ग पे हुई। एक सरल स्वभाव के, शालीन स्वभाव के एक ऐसे व्यक्तित्व, जब मैं उनसे मिला तो मुझे ऐसा कतई नहीं फील हुआ कि मैं किसी वाइस चांसलर से मिल रहा हूँ, क्योंकि अक्सर जब वाइस चांसलर शब्द आता है, जब डिस्ट्रिक्ट कलेक्टर शब्द आता है या कोई ऐसे वीवीआईपी का नाम जब आता है तो अक्सर ये देखा गया है कि दिमाग में एक अजीब सा चलता है। अगर आप उस पद पे हैं तो आपके लिए कोई बड़ी बात नहीं होगी, लेकिन अगर आप छात्र जीवन में हैं या आप किसी दूसरे पद पे हैं तो आपको लगता है कि कुलपति या वाइस चांसलर या डिस्ट्रिक्ट कलेक्टर या अगर दूसरे जो मंत्री जो भी वीवीआईपी हैं वो काफ़ी हृदय से काफ़ी कठोर होते हैं, काफ़ी रूढ़ होते हैं। अगर कोई सामान्य इंसान उनसे बात करना चाहता है तो कैसे बात करेंगे, जिस कारण से ये जो तमाम तरह की जो भ्रांतियाँ दिमाग में आती हैं, इस कारण से जो साधारण इंसान है इन लोगों से बात नहीं करता। लेकिन मैं अपने छात्र जीवन में जब सर्वप्रथम डॉक्टर जगन्नाथ से मिला तो मुझे बहुत एक अजीब सी अनुभूति हुई। एक सिंप्लिसिटी, एक सरल स्वभाव के व्यक्तित्व से मेरी मुलाकात हुई। ऐसा व्यक्तित्व जो बिना पूछे ये पूछ रहा था उस समय कि हेमंत कैसे हो, आपका रिसर्च वर्क कैसे चल रहा है। जी हाँ दोस्तों, मैं आज इस पावन अवसर पे डॉक्टर जगन्नाथ पटनायक जी को जन्मदिन की ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ।
प्रणाम हमारे पूजनीय गुरु जी। आज मैं आपको अपना मन की बात बताना चाहूँगा कि हमारे लिए आप क्या हैं। आप हमारे लिए कितना खास हैं, जो शायद आपको भी नहीं पता होगा। मैं अपना जीवन काल में मैं आपसे बहुत कुछ सीखा हूँ, जैसे कि मन को शांत कैसे करें, दूसरा अगर गुस्सा में है तो आप उससे कैसे बात करें, समय को बर्बाद ना करें जो एक बार चला जाने के बाद दोबारा लौट के नहीं आता, क्रोध को कैसे त्याग करें, एक अच्छा इंसान बनने के लिए क्या क्या जरूरी होता है। अगर आपका मन पॉजिटिव है तो आपको वो हर चीज़ पॉजिटिव ही लगेगा। इसलिए तो आपको पॉजिटिव लिविंग गुरु भी कहते हैं। हम खुशी ढूंढते हैं, खुशी तो हमारे अंदर है। तो ये सब है जो आज मेरा मन को अच्छा लगता है गुरु जी। ये सब मैं अपना गुरु जी से मतलब आपसे सीखा हूँ और आगे भी ऐसे ही ज्ञान की बातें सीखता रहूँगा। बड़ा अच्छा लगता है आपसे बात करके, आपके साथ समय बिताना। जो भी बोल रहा हूँ मैं आज कैमरा के सामने, वो सब आप ही का वजह से गुरु जी। धन्यवाद गुरु जी। आज के लिए इतना ही मुझे कहना था आपसे।
हमको किया तूने क्या इशारा